Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can fix. This field is required on Instagram problem. First you want to make sure your message is on. So inside your setting, you want to scroll a bit down until you see messages. Once you see it, click on it, and once you're inside messages, scroll a bit down and make sure send us SMS is on. Once this is on, over here where it says massage, make sure it's on as well. When both of this is on, the next thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and then click on where it says forgot password. From over here, you can enter your email or username, whichever thing is linked when you created your Instagram account, or you can even go on phone. Because if you're facing this issue of this field is required in Instagram, you're basically unable to log in into your account. In that case, just reset the password of your Instagram. It should work. So I will enter the email of my Instagram account. After I enter my email, I click on next, and on the next step, it's going to show me a login code has been sent on my email. Now I need to go on my email to check the code. And in your case, if you're not receiving the code, then make sure to check your internet connection, because sometimes due to slow internet as well, it doesn't send you the code. Otherwise, you should receive it. And the second reason on why you do not receive any good is if you have tried to do this, or like if you have tried to receive good multiple times, then what I will suggest you to do is wait for 5 hours. Because sometimes Instagram thinks that somebody trying to hack into your account, if they try to send code multiple times, so they disable the code feature for a certain amount of time, wait for 5 to 6 hours after that, try to do it, it should work. If it still doesn't work, then wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your problem should be fixed. So I'll go check my mail for the code. As you guys can see, Instagram has sent me the code. Now, I can type this code on my Instagram. After I type the code, I can click on next, and it's going to take me to the password reset page. But I don't want to reset it, so I will just go back. But that is basically how you guys can reset your password. After you reset your password, you should be able to fix this field is required an Instagram problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.